it's Shannon. I am in the kitchen today. I'm going to be making a Rae Dunn style mixing bowl set. I know those are very, very difficult to find, and if you can't find them, they are usually pretty hefty in price. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using Dollar Tree supplies to create a very inexpensive set of Rae Dunn mixing bowls. So I just cut my vinyl out with my Silhouette Cameo, and the settings that I use, the blade is set on 3, the speed is set on 10, and then the depth is set on 9, and that's what I use to cut my vinyl with. And now I'm just going to take my weeding tool and weed out all of the unwanted vinyl. Alright, so now I have my vinyl cut out and ready to go. What I use is this peel and stick Duck brand clear contact paper. It says clear laminate, but it's a shelf liner, and this is what I've just always used for my vinyl transfer sheet, and I just cut it to length and I get some of the sticky off. So I'm just gonna cut some to length. The nice thing is it's 12 inches wide, just like the vinyl that fits in Silhouette Cameo 3. So sometimes it can be a little bit too sticky, so I like to get some of the tackiness off by sticking it to my counter a few times and then putting it onto my decals. Put it on the top, run your squeegee over it, and then I'm just going to cut it so each one is separate. And then I'm going to line my bowls up so I know which one goes with each bowl, smallest to largest. And then all you do is you pull your carrier sheet or your transfer sheet off, and your vinyl will stick to that, and then just place it onto your plastic bowl. And I would suggest pushing it on, starting in the middle and then working your way out one letter at a time. And you can take your squeegee to make sure you get all the air bubbles out of the vinyl. And then you can pull off the transfer sheet. And because these bowls are rounded, they may be a little bit tricky. Just go slow. They will eventually come off. And then a little trick that I like to do is the paper that you had your vinyl on, I like to stick that back on top and use that to sort of press all that on there tightly. That way you're not going like this with the squeegee, and then you could also accidentally peel off some of that vinyl, and this will just press it on. Just like that. So there's the first one. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3. Super easy to just add a little bit of vinyl to some white plastic bowls, whether they are from the Dollar Tree or even from Walmart or another department store. You can kind of create your own look, and very, very simple. So I know not everyone has a silhouette or a vinyl cutting machine. If you do not, I will have a few of these available in my Etsy shop. You can go shopping over there at www.crossmyheart.com. And you can order yourself a set and head to the Dollar Tree, pick up some bowls, and have yourself a very inexpensive but country farmhouse style bowl set. I hope that this tutorial inspired you. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys.